Welcome to the Felder Group. My name is Tamara and I'm the Chief Marketing Officer of the Felder Group, which is a family-owned company which provides woodworking machines in a wide range for carpenters and woodworkers worldwide. Come on, check this out. We truly value our relationship with Becker, as both companies have much in common. Becker, as well as the Felder Group, are both family-owned companies which rely to tradition as well as state-of-the-art innovation, which enables our customers to achieve their best performances.
Hello and welcome here at our Technology Center. My name is Vanja Andreas Latke and I'm an application technician and product manager here at our headquarters. When it comes to CNC machining, it's all about perfection. And therefore, we need a partner who has a deep understanding of woodworking processes as a whole. Our mission, together, Felder and Becker, is to deliver outstanding and uncompromised quality when it comes to CNCs and vacuum systems.
Hello, my name is Nico Segers. I'm the Managing Director of Becker for the Benelux. Our utmost importance is that customers enjoy our customized solutions to get the maximum potential out of their Becker vacuum pumps at any given moment, even after the initial first delivery of individual pumps with machines all over the world. Together with our customers, we always find a room to improve.
Welcome, I'm Michiel Oldenburg. We produce at our factory more than 30,000 high-quality doors per year. Vacuum pumps from Becker came as part of our 5 CNC machines. Having Becker on our side, we could upgrade our productivity and efficiency to a whole new level. Centralizing stand-alone pumps, we could reduce the total of 5 pumps to 3. Implementing a centralized vacuum system almost saved us to 50% of energy per year. It also helped to improve the working environment by less heat and less noise. We can concentrate on what we do best.
Let's talk woodworking.
Let's talk woodworking.
Let's talk woodworking. Let's talk woodworking.
Let's talk woodworking.
Let's talk woodworking.
Let's talk woodworking.
Let's talk woodworking.
Make it Becker.